And here I just took on the inside of the door and just lined it with that mesh, just stapling around the inside. And on the inside of these corners, I'm just putting these corner braces to kind of shore it up a little bit. Alright, so now I'm adding the roof, and I'm keeping the front edge all lined up. And then I'm going to have to come back here because all these boards are uneven. And I'm going to come down about a foot from the back edge, and I'm going to draw a straight line, and I'm going to cut it, get all the extra slack off. And I'll be able to reuse those boards for other parts within the rabbit hutch. But so far, not too bad. I added this. Let's start adding this little wall down here. I'm probably going to do one more piece high, then I'm adding the mesh, and then also after that, get some of that slack cut off down there. I'm going to use that also to build this wall, this divider wall, and then once the roof's done and the divider's all done, then I got to do the back wall and then finish the doors, and that'll be pretty much it. I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to go with mesh here or wood, but I guess it all depends on what or how much of each type that I do have in the end left. So that is yet to be seen or decided, so stay tuned. And as you can see, I've gone ahead and I took the Sawzall and I've tried to cut as relatively straight of the line as I can down the back side. So now I have some more scrap wood I can use throughout the rabbit hutch. So I got the roof all put on and nailed down or screwed down. So all I have left to do, here I'm adding some more boards. Got them all screwed in. I have 1 to 2 more sections left. So I'm gonna cut some slack off these, see if any of these pieces will make the cut. So I went ahead and I finished off this inside wall. I put the wiring on the top edge, and then covered the bottom edge of that wiring with the board right here, and the outer edges with these boards around the edge. And I pretty much pieced it together. I would put a board there, screw it into place, and cut off the excess. Put a board there, screw it in place, cut off the excess, and so on and so forth, just to hide the edges of that wire. So now it got that nice clean look. I mean, it's rustic, but you know, classy at the same time. So now, for the old wood wise, all we have left to do is the inside divider wall right there, and this back wall. So I'm going to go ahead and get that knocked out. I have the final divider wall in place. Just have to add mesh on the top, and then that'll be good and it'll be done. Got the wire mesh on top in place, stapled along the edges, except for the top edge, but I don't think I have to worry about that. If I do end up having to, I'll just put a piece of wood on each side. Down this edge, and I'm going to Sawzall that down, even it flush.